Welcome. If you use multiple Telegram accounts, you may have noticed that notifications don't always come through for every account. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on Telegram for work, friends, or important updates. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notifications from all your accounts in just a few simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your Telegram experience, including privacy, chats, and notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section gives you full control over how Telegram alerts you about messages, calls, and activity across your accounts. Now look for the option labeled Show Notifications From. Here you'll see a toggle for all accounts. Turn this option on. Once enabled, Telegram will send you notifications from every account you're logged into, instead of limiting alerts to just your active account. After switching this on, you should start receiving notifications from all your accounts right away. If you still don't see alerts, make sure your device's system notification settings for Telegram are also enabled. That's it. With this quick adjustment, you'll never miss an important message again, no matter which account it comes from. It's a small change that makes a big difference in staying connected and organized. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother Telegram experience.